Hey, it's Barry. If you're dreaming of fresh, homegrown Moringa seeds, you're in the right place. Today I'm unlocking the secrets of growing Moringa just for seeds and how to get those precious pods from tree to table. First up, planting. Moringa loves warmth and sun, so choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. The soil. Well, draining is key because Moringa hates wet feet. Mix in some compost to give your trees a nutritious boost. Now you can start Moringa from seeds or cuttings, but for robust seed production, seeds are the way to go. Plant them about an inch deep and water gently. You'll see little sprouts in a week or two if the weather's warm enough. Moringa grows fast, like really fast. So don't be surprised if you're looking at a small tree in just a couple of months. Make sure to thin out weaker seedlings, leaving the strongest to grow. Give each tree at least 6 feet of space. Trust me, they'll need it. For seed pods, patience is everything. Moringa typically starts flowering and producing pods in its second year, but if you're lucky and conditions are just right, you might see pods even earlier. Keep your tree well watered, but don't overdo it. Too much water can mean fewer pods. Feeding your Moringa with a balanced fertilizer every couple of months helps, but don't over-fertilize. Prune your tree to around 6 to 10 feet high so it stays bushy and manageable. This encourages more branches, and more branches mean more pods. Alright, let's talk harvesting. Moringa seed pods, also called drumsticks, are long, slender, and turn brown as they mature. Wait until the pods are fully dry and brown on the tree. If you pick them green, the seeds won't be mature. Use garden shears to snip off the pods. Now just split the pod open lengthwise using your fingers. You'll see rows of round, hard seeds inside. Pop them out and let them air dry for a few days. Store your seeds in a cool, dry place and they'll stay viable for planting or snacking for months. So whether you're after a never-ending supply of seeds or just want to grow something unique, give Moringa a try in your own backyard. It's easy, rewarding, and you'll be harvesting your own superfood seeds before you know it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home gardening tips. See you next time.